Hey everybody, it's Dr. Selfridge, and it's been a little while since I've done a video. It's been a really busy May and June. I can't believe we're in June already. We're almost out of school. Here at Garnet Valley, we have, I don't know, maybe about a week left of school. But I thought I'd make a quick video because I have this instrument I've been practicing. Do you know what this is called? This is a Piccolo. It's a flute it's basically half the size of a flute. It plays one octave higher than a flute. And I've been having a lot of fun practicing my piccolo here at school. Here's like a B flat scale. I thought just for something fun today, I'd do a quick video and see if you guys have any requests for me to play a couple of quick songs on the piccolo. So leave your comments, leave your requests in the comments below. The one that, if you know piccolos, some of you might request the famous piccolo solo from Stars and Stripes Forever. John Philip Sousa. That's a pretty advanced piccolo solo that I haven't practiced, so I won't be able to do that one for you. Come up with some ideas. Let me know what you would like me to play. What's your biggest request for me to play on the piccolo? And we'll have some fun with this instrument that I don't have any other videos for on my channel. So leave me some requests. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go practice, and I'll talk to you soon.